A point where patience, strength and tolerance get tested. लाइफ कभी सिंपल नहीं होती और कभी कभी इंसान थक जाता है. But remember, your limits are not there to stop you. Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to my channel. Our today's topic is everyone has a limit. Your limits are there to remind you how much further you can grow. जब आप अपने लिमिट के करीब होते हैं, that's the moment when your real strength begins. इंसान हर चीज़ बर्दाश्त कर सकता है लेकिन हर चीज़ की भी एक हद होती है. डोंट कन्फ्यूज़ योर लिमिट विथ वीकनेस. लिमिट्स आर नॉट वॉल्स, दे आर चेक पॉइंट्स. हर लिमिट आपको ये सिखाती है कि आपको अपनी एनर्जी कहाँ इन्वेस्ट करनी है और कहाँ उसे रोकना है. Everyone in this world has a limit, a point where your patience gets tested, your energy feels drained, and your heart whispers, I can't take it anymore. But let me remind you, your limits are not there to stop you. They are there to show you how much further you can go. इंसान की असल ताकत उस वक्त सामने आती है जब वो अपने लिमिट्स को चैलेंज करता है. You can take an example of an athlete. When he runs, there comes a moment where his body screams in pain, telling him to stop. That's his limit. But when he decides to push one more step, one more mile, he discovers that his real strength begins exactly where his limit ends. Life is the same. When you feel like giving up, that's the very moment when your breakthrough is closest. इंसान की हद उस वक्त समझ आती है जब वो उसे तोड़ने की कोशिश करता है. हर इंसान की एक लिमिट होती है. कुछ लोग इमोशनल पेन बर्दाश्त कर लेते हैं, कुछ लोग फाइनेंशियल स्ट्रगल्स और कुछ लोग फेलियर्स. लेकिन एक चीज़ कॉमन है, लिमिट हमेशा इंसान को स्ट्रॉन्गर बनाती है. जब आप एक लिमिट को क्रॉस करते हैं, आप अपने लिए एक नया लेवल क्रिएट करते हैं, बर्दाश्त का लेवल क्रिएट करते हैं. लिमिट्स आर नॉट देयर टू स्टॉप यू, दे आर मेंट टू शेप यू. Actually, they teach you balance, when to push and when to pause. Sometimes your limit is telling you to rest, to heal, to recharge, and sometimes it's daring you to rise above your fears and break the barriers that are holding you back. Every time you cross a limit, you create a new version of yourself. The struggle you survive today become the strength you carry tomorrow. Remember, diamonds are made under pressure and champions are born by breaking their limits. So, the next time you feel you have reached your limit, ask yourself, am I meant to stop here? Or am I meant to break through? The answer will always be, you are meant to break through. याद रखें, लिमिट्स की कोई दीवार नहीं होती, बल्कि एक दरवाज़ा है ये. और ये दरवाज़ा सिर्फ उस वक्त खुलता है जब हम हिम्मत करके आगे बढ़ते हैं. ज़िंदगी एक सफ़र है और इस सफ़र में हर इंसान को मुश्किलात का सामना करना पड़ता है. बहुत सारी रुकावटें और चैलेंजेस का सामना करना पड़ता है. हर इंसान के अंदर एक सब्र की हद, लिमिट होती है और इसको हम बर्दाश्त करते रहते हैं. और हिम्मत की हद मौजूद होती है तो हम बर्दाश्त करते हैं, और जब ये हद ख़त्म हो जाए तो हमारी बर्दाश्त भी ख़त्म हो जाती है. एक ऐसा लम्हा आता है जब दिल कहता है बस अब और नहीं, अब मज़ीद नहीं चल सकते. लेकिन याद रखें, यही वो लम्हा है जहाँ असल कहानी शुरू होती है. यही वो मकाम है जहाँ इंसान अपनी असल ताकत को पहचानता है. Life is a battlefield, and in this battlefield, every person faces struggle, pain, and challenges. No one in this world is free from moments of weakness. Every human being has a limit, a point where patience runs out, where strength begins to fade, and the heart whispers, I can't go any further. But here is the truth, that very moment is not your ending. That moment is the beginning of your transformation. Limits are not placed in your life to break you, they are placed to reveal the power you never knew you had. Many people think that reaching a limit means failure, but the reality is reaching your limit simply means you are about to grow. Your limit is a signal, a reminder that you are a human, and human being means you are capable of learning, improving, and evolving. Life will test you again and again. It will push you to your limits, but the choice is always yours, to stop or to rise. And true victory belongs only to those who rise beyond their limits. So, my dear friends, remember, these limits are not placed in your life to stop you. They are placed to show you how strong you truly are. Every time you feel like you have reached the edge, you have two choices: stop and give up, or push forward and grow. And it is always the second choice that creates champions, leaders, history makers. Your limit is not your finish line, it is the starting point of your greatness. So, the next time life pushes you to your breaking point. Don't surrender. Instead, smile and say to yourself, this is where my real strength begins. Thank you for watching my video, and if this message touched your heart, make sure to like this video, share it with someone who needs motivation today,